There's nothing worse than stepping into a cold hot tub. And if your hot tub isn't heating properly, it's likely one of the 3 common hot tub heater problems. Check it out. Problem number 1, your hot tub isn't staying hot. If your hot tub heats up but then seems to cool down just like a regular bath, the first thing is to check the filter. Make sure the filter isn't clogged, and if you find debris, clear it out and give it a good cleaning. If the filter isn't the problem, check the thermostat and heat sensors. Electrical components can sometimes burn out or go bad and will need to be replaced. And then finally, check the spa's circulation. If the plumbing is clogged and the water can't circulate properly, it will begin to gradually cool down after it's been heated. And if this is the case, you'll need to drain and clean your hot tub using a line flush product to clear the plumbing. Problem number 2, your hot tub temperature fluctuates. Okay, so you turn on your hot tub, and the water's warm when you get in, but then 5 minutes later you're shivering because the temperature has mysteriously dropped. Then it heats up again, only to turn so hot that you feel like you're cooking. Fluctuating temperatures are usually caused by a temperature sensor that has started to die. If the sensor is in good working order, it may be the thermostat or your heat sensors. Whichever one is the problem, it'll have to be replaced. Problem number 3, your hot tub isn't heating at all. You turn on your hot tub, and you wait a little while for it to heat up, then step into room temperature water. Or worse, it's ice cold. This can be caused by low flow from your hot tub pump, and if that's the problem, you'll have to replace the pump. The lack of heat may also be due to a bad heating element. When a heating element goes bad, there's no fixing it. Again, you'll have to replace it, but luckily, heating elements aren't expensive and they're not too difficult to replace. Here's how to replace your hot tub heating element. Now remember, before you begin any kind of work on your hot tub, please disconnect all power leading to it. Number 1, locate the heating element assembly inside your hot tub cabinet. 2, disconnect the electrical wires. 3, remove the heating element. 4, place a new heating element in the now empty space. 5, reconnect the electrical wires. And 6, test the element by setting your hot tub to the usual soaking temperature and waiting the appropriate amount of time for it to heat up, depending on your current water temperature and ambient temperature. Now, you can also save yourself some money and time by keeping your hot tub heater element in good condition with regular maintenance. Number 1, keep the water balanced. Balanced water chemistry can help prevent corrosion inside your hot tub and extend the life of your heating element and hot tub heater. Number 2, keep air out of the system. After every maintenance session, be sure to flush all the air out of your system. Air in the lines can lead to the heating assembly's premature failure. Number 3, clean the filter regularly. Clogged filters can prevent water from properly flowing to the heater, which can eventually cause the heating element inside to burn out. Check your filter regularly and clean or replace it whenever necessary. And finally, if you're not sure of what the issue is and you're not comfortable with replacing any of your hot tub parts, it's best to call in a professional. Remember, water and electricity do not mix. So if you're not confident in your repair abilities or you simply cannot identify the problem, it's better to have a pro come in and take a look for you. And if you're looking for more help troubleshooting your hot tub, go check out our Hot Tub Care video course. You'll get in-depth video lessons plus a step-by-step downloadable guide covering everything that you need to know about hot tub maintenance. It's packed with money-saving tips so you can save money and time keeping your hot tub clean. This is the ultimate manual for every type of hot tub. The best part is we always keep it up to date, so once you buy it, you have access to the latest and greatest version for life. That's swimuniversity.com/spa and use the promo code VIDEO. If you missed anything or have any questions, please leave a comment to let us know. Hit the like button below if you found this video helpful. And if you want to learn more about hot tub maintenance and troubleshooting, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And check out the Hot Tub Handbook and video course at swimuniversity.com/spa. Don't forget to enter that promo code VIDEO to get 10% off. That's it. Thanks again and happy soaking.